Alright guys, we're over here working on an Infinity. It's a G35 sedan. So it's an '03, if I didn't already say that. But we're halfway through the door and I'm going to show you guys how to remove the door handle. It's not that much complicated from here. It only has about 3 screws. One behind the door handle on the inside, and then it has 2 screws on the actual handle where you grab it. You take a little plastic trim off and there's 2 bolts behind there, 10 millimeters. But anyways, we're right here. This is where we're at. So from here, you're going to have to deal with a little bit of electrical things over here. You're going to want to disconnect this electrical part right here. You're going to push in the tab. Push the tab in. You can use a flathead, whatever you want. Push the tab, pull it out. Once you got that out, you're going to want to pop all of these little zip ties off, because this whole black panel has to come off. So we're just going to go and you can just go, if you got the little clip remover tool, go ahead and just pop them off, or you can just yank them off, whatever you want, but you're going to have to replace them later. Pop them off. Pause the video. Pause this. Play. Alright, so once you remove the wires, next thing you're going to want to do, you're going to remove the speaker right here, 10 millimeters. You just go ahead, twist those off. There's going to be 3 bolts holding it in. Boom, bow. Once you got those out, pop that out, and you're gonna have all these 10 millimeters around holding it in. You're also gonna want to disassemble the gold 10 millimeter right here, and the 3, and this one. So you're gonna want to disassemble all of them. So we're gonna go ahead, take those off. One. These are attached to the window motor and regulator. Window motor in the back is going to be wobbling around, and don't be scared, because we are going to be able to put that back. Those to the side, and you're going to have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 bolts all the way around holding it in. Go ahead, pop those off. Get it up, don't lose it. I'll leave one up there just to hold it in place. Looks like I forgot to take one more off. one more gold one on the bottom right corner. And make sure you get a bag or something, because you don't want to lose none of these bolts, because you want your door to go back the same way it came off. If you're missing bolts, then your stuff gonna be falling off, so you don't want that. This is the last one. Pull that off. And the whole panel, put this to the side now. The whole panel should come off. It's going to be a little stuck on there, but not to worry. Let's go get put this in there. We're going to pry it open with the trim tool. Gently go around. You don't want to break the seal, because that's what keeps the water going on the inside. Pull it off. This little grommet right here should just slide off the pad. Push this to the side. You're gonna want to push this. You got in there. This grommet, the water grommet. Take the water out. Push that to the side. Remove your plate. Go. So on the back of this handle, you're gonna have two other 10mm bolts holding this door handle in. One on this side, one on the other side. Come around real quick. So you're gonna want to get a tool, flexible. I like using this, flexible wrench. You're gonna want to shove it up in there, get a good position, because the bolts are in there. You're gonna want to make sure that your window is rolled up, so you can get to the bolts. If you have your window rolled down, you're not going to get to them. So once you're done removing the 10mm bolts on the other side, you're going to want to gently grab the door handle, wiggle it a little bit, and it will want to come out. You're going to want to be careful, because it does have some plastic clips on the inside. You're going to want to gently get the top to come out. Just be very gentle with it, because it does have clips on the inside that you do not want to break. So if you can see, if you can zoom in over here, I don't know if you can see very well, on the top metal piece there is a plastic. You're going to want to gently push back on that one to release the rod from the door handle. So I'm going to get up in there and do that, and I'll give you a better picture of what it looks like after I'm done removing it, so you guys can get a better idea of how it works.
Go.
So you can use a flathead or anything. I'm just using these pliers, because that's what I got. So once you push that piece back, the plastic should go back and up, and you just slide the rod to the left. And so I can give you a better picture of how this works. So the rod is like this, it's going down, and this plastic piece goes over the rod and holds it in place. What you want to do is push the plastic back and slide the rod out this way. So that's how you remove the door handle on a G35 Infinity, guys. And we'll post up another video of how to get the door back on, because I know a lot of people are going to want to know how it goes back on, so we'll stay tuned.